roaming fees keep piling up whenever I travel. So after this tiny screen almost caused my financial ruin, I decided to test an alternative, an eSIM. In this Saily eSIM review, I'm going to cover the best eSIM provider of 2026, while also providing a step-by-step Saily tutorial. This little app can completely replace roaming at a fraction of the cost. So let's see if it fits your needs. What makes Saily such a great option, in my opinion, is what it offers and where it comes from. It's created by NordSecurity. It combines the worldwide coverage of over 200 destinations with cybersecurity protection features, which is awesome in 2026. Lots of destinations simply just don't have the same protection standards. Folks online find this combination quite a good deal, especially since Saily is pretty affordable. Especially if you'd like to save your money on an eSIM, check the link in the description or scan this QR code for the best Saily deal. My treat. So let's begin the tutorial. Keep in mind that Saily can be installed on Android and iOS devices alike, and it also supports laptops, tablets, and even smart watches. The installation steps are the same across the board. Go to the link in the description I mentioned and just download the app. You'll be forwarded to the Play Store or App Store or asked to download the app from the provider's website, just depending on your device. And after installing the app on your device, just tap the icon to get started. All right, now it's important to know that eSIMs are unavailable on some older phones. So before buying the subscription, double check that. On iPhone, you can check it by going to Settings, General, About, and looking for No SIM restrictions under the carrier lock tab. As for Android, I honestly just couldn't download it on an older Android phone. Play Store won't even show Saily in search if it's incompatible with your phone. So let's say your phone is compatible and you just launched the app. What's next? On the Saily app's home screen, tap Install eSIM, and you're going to be brought to the device's settings. Follow the steps here to finish the installation. Also, you do have to turn on data roaming for the Saily app. Don't worry, even though it's called roaming, it's not going to charge you as one. This setting enables Saily to use cellular networks of your target country. All right, talking about target countries, Saily has over 200 destinations to choose from, but you can also get a regional plan. More convenient if you're planning a trip through multiple countries. This makes Saily eSIM Europe and South America friendly, amongst other options. Now, an important note here is to not activate eSIM right away. After you get your plan, the duration is set. So if you're trying out Saily a week before your trip and activate it right away, the plan's going to start burning. So instead, activate it once you arrive at your destination, though it is best to do the installation steps from earlier before the trip. They require an active Wi-Fi connection. And after you touch land in your dream vacation land, all you have to do is turn off your original SIM card connection and switch to the eSIM instead. Just be careful with your data usage, okay? Saily won't always notify you the moment that you hit 0 in your remaining traffic. So it's a good idea to set a data limit or data warning within the phone's settings to match the Saily plan. It's going to save you a headache later, trust me. As for my deals, they will save you money instead. So go ahead and grab the best Saily plan for your needs in the description below, or show this QR code a good time with your camera. Remember how earlier in this Saily review, I said that it has cybersecurity features? Well, they don't just protect your device and data, but they also save you precious megabytes of data. So with a built-in ad blocker, you're going to waste less traffic loading all the ads on the websites that you visit, and the automatic web protection straight up blocks malicious websites and web elements with suspicious code. So once again, less to load and more traffic to save. Needless to say, the developer of NordVPN just couldn't pass up the opportunity to shove that in as well, so you can change your virtual location to one of 115 different countries, even your home one, so you won't miss a new episode of your favorite show. The internet connection Saily brings uses the local infrastructure of your destination country, so you can expect reliable speeds. There's no throttling either, unlike some other eSIM providers, and of course you can see right away that the app is very easy to understand and use. The design is as straightforward as it gets. In my opinion, Saily is the best eSIM for travel if you prefer the just set it and forget it approach. After a 5-minute setup, you're going to end up with the best internet connection available in the area, decently priced traffic, and even cybersecurity protection on top for the entirety of your trip. So next time you're flying out, spend a few minutes in the airport to install Saily eSIM for your convenience. And don't forget to do so through the description below to get the best price offer on any destination worldwide, or just scan this QR code. Thanks for watching. Hope this best eSIM provider will prove itself useful on your trip. I'll see you soon.